Good evening, board. I just wanted to do a quick video kind of overview of the roof inspection that I did while I was doing the preliminary photos of the fascia. So what you'll see, if you can see my mouse here, this is some of the corrosion on top. This is not a big issue. We'll kind of jump to the points where they are. You have a dish here. I'm not sure if this is being utilized by anyone. Let me kind of go through this and you'll see where some of the touch points I'll show you. Overall, not a lot of issues of concern. You'll see some discoloration. That is usually from water pooling right here. I'll show you some other areas that we see this. Hard to see from here, from this angle, exactly what this is, but doesn't seem too big of a concern. Water pooling right here in this area. Right here, you have a lot of dark spots. This is the spot that I saw right away when doing the visual overview. This seems that there was a lot of water leak right here. There is a lot of water pooling here, and it seems like a water stain here as well. I don't know if this is a water stain from the condenser leaking here. I can't tell you that exactly, but there is a lot of water pooling here that's happening on this side of the property, of the roof as well. This is some of the sandbags or something that was left on the roof. Some more debris, dishes, satellite dishes, should be just removed. Again, some staining here and some more sandbags. I'll fast forward this a little bit till we get to these are the sandbags that we can remove. The satellite dish right there on the right hand side. I was trying to ascertain exactly what this was, but it looks like it was just sandbags. And this is the condenser that's leaking. And it looks like it's leaking from the condenser right here. So it looks like it's leaking inside. This is clearly not properly set up. This drain line shouldn't be sticking up like this, though I don't know. I cannot tell you for sure if it should be or not, because I do not see a line running out of this condenser. So there is the leak. You could see it happening. And this is the water just pooling, and this could be destroying the layer, and I don't know if there's a leak that's happening in this unit, but there is definitely water pooling here. I did check the other condensers. They don't seem to be leaking that I see. So right here is a perfect example of a line. It might be disconnected. It's hard to tell, but it should be some sort of drain line that's running from the condenser. This is the drain line. Seems like it's running. I'm not sure where this is exhaust out to, but yeah, it looks like it's going inside the unit, potentially into the inner unit. And I don't know if this line is doing the same thing. I don't know if I have a better video overview of it. Let me see if I go back. Yeah, I can't tell if it's going. Potentially this is the line, but it's hard to tell from this angle. So that is the condenser in question. So I made you two videos, one kind of overview and the other one just for you to see the visuals. Thank you so much.